Auto glass repair and replacement in Las Vegas. Window not rolling up or down? Window regulator broken? Cracked windshield? Broken side window? Don't wait. Get it fixed today with us Las Vegas Auto Glass Pros. We're Las Vegas' trusted choice for fast, affordable, and certified auto glass repair and replacement. Whether it's a rock chip or a full windshield swap, we'll handle it quickly and safely. Call and speak with Darin or Kayla Mobile service. You got it. We'll come to your home office or even the strip wherever you are in Vegas. Lifetime warranty and same-day service available. Call now at 702-574-3662. Mobile service means we come to you, home, office, or anywhere in Las Vegas. Auto glass repair replacement in Las Vegas for any vehicle. Mobile service to you whether you're in Henderson, Southern Highlands, Anthem, Summerlin, Las Vegas Strip area, North Las Vegas or Aliante. Auto glass repair and window regulator replacement for all vehicles. Call 702-574-3662. Need auto glass replacement Las Vegas? Do you have a window not rolling up or down? Window regulator broken? Call 702-574-3662, and Darin or Katie will help you. We'll also drive to you for the same price. Auto glass replacement in Las Vegas. Side glass, quarter glass, back glass, windshield replacement for any vehicle, year, make and model. Auto glass repair and replacement for all vehicle makes and models. Window not rolling up or down? Call 702-574-3662 for auto glass replacement and repair. 3662 for auto glass replacement and repair. Auto glass replacement in Las Vegas. Side glass, quarter glass, back glass, windshield replacement for any vehicle, year, make and model. Auto glass for all models. We will quote you for free. 702-574-3662. Side window, quarter glass, back glass or windshield replacement. Call us and we'll drive over to you. Las Vegas. Auto glass repair and replacement for all vehicle makes and models. Window not rolling up or down? Call 702-574-3662 for auto glass replacement and repair. We do auto window regulator repair and replacement. Please call 702-574-3662. We will drive out to you. Las Vegas.